At Master Power, we empower industries to thrive with solutions that drive productivity and precision, powering industries that never stop. Master Power diesel generators provide reliable energy, no matter the challenge. We keep your operations running 24/7 during power outages. We power heavy equipment on remote sites. We ensure uninterrupted operations for critical infrastructure. Our rotary screw air compressors are the heart of industrial air applications. We enable precise and flawless automobile painting. We power packaging and pneumatic systems. We keep operations efficient and safe in tough environments. Our oil-free medical and dental air compressors deliver for precision and purity, powering ventilators and surgical tools with clean, pure air, providing quiet, oil-free air for precise treatments, ensures sterile and contamination-free environments for drug production. Our refrigerated air dryers ensure clean, dry air, boosting performance across industries, prevents rust and moisture damage to tools and materials, protects delicate components during production. From power to precision, we deliver it all. If it drives industry, we've got it. Because at Master Power, your needs inspire our solutions. Master Power, powering your technology.